Halichar Nazari being handed over a beautiful sapling. And FC1 come with a double change, and one is a forced one. Armando was red carded in the game against Kabi Anglong Morningstar. One who are watching this wonderful game. The Group F, the third game at the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium is underway. Gayari, lovely cutback, but just couldn't get the right connection there, arriving in the correct time. And here comes Norberto. That's Colin Ranjan. Just didn't get that.
Yeah, it's coming in. It's coming in. The pressure is seeping inside. Look at that. Very beautifully ball. Very well curved over there.
Would be a good one up. Robinson, left foot, near post. Goes little wide, but he would always be probing. Haricharan looks for Robinson. Just couldn't get the perfect direction on that. He just had to change the direction. And he's always causing a bit of concern for Ekalak.
In front of the goal. But if he can get there, he's clinical too.
Rolled that one on left foot. That was quick on the turn. Sharp, crisp, but not to the right direction.
And that's the opportunity that the youngsters need over there. They need an outlet where they can display their skill. Oh.
It's been 31 degrees Celsius, but here, tempers.
If you look at that. He keeps himself low close. Ooh. A little bit frustration creeping there. That's not good from a player like Harley Charan. He has to keep his composure and temper down there.
It comes back. Gayari! He could have done much, much better with a cushioned finish. With the instep of the right foot. That was a great ball in. Gayari, good cross. That should have been finished. Hale, again, body on the line. The keeper. Curls that to the back post. That is the goal. You ask it, he delivers. Robinson, Blandon, Rendon, the one from Colombia, from the land of James Rodriguez.
Yeah, brilliant piece of work from Harley Charan. Every time he got the ball, he tried to put the quality ball, but look at him. There are two defenders on him. With that pressure, he puts that quality ball. There's a little bit movement.
And once again, chance for a header there. Lunging forward was Huzafa Ahmed Dar.
What a fantastic piece of fluidity in this game right now. As soon as they get the ball, the transition is very good. The vertical balls coming into the attacking third is good.
Hurry pulls it back. This would have been put to bed. Robinson, oh dear. Great failure that. Could you call it? What a miss. It could be massive. But on the break, here comes Rituraj Mohan. Arun, left foot, goes towards the near post. He had options. Robinson was waiting. Arun Thapa Magar could have done much better.
Nice piece of work here from Norberto. Trying to combine with Robinson, but never been able to. He tried to go in like a wall pass, getting it to Robinson, who then pass and get behind the defender, but that never came. Ooh. I was just wondering, oh, that was something must have caught. Look at the referee.
But can Halicharan Nazari add one more? It goes very soft and off the ricochet. It is Rituraj Mohan, the super sub, scoring that wonderfully. Very poor defending. But Bodoland wouldn't mind. And they would pounce on everything that is served on the platter. That was a bit of a deflection in the wall, but very clumsy defending, not putting it out of the opposition's way. And Rituraj Mohan, so very smart to just tap it home. So Bodoland double their lead at this stage.
Brilliant piece of work from Vikas Panthi's team.
Arun beats that challenge. He's all by himself. Holds on. Goes directly. That is the third one. And this is one special from Nepal. Arun Singh Magar. With love from the Himalayan state of Nepal.
Yeah, he recovered very well after getting inside the box. There was a decoy run on the left. Everybody thought that he's going to pass that ball, and even the goalkeeper tried to move on to the right. That look at that shot. Really superb there. Very little gap there for him, but he squeezes that ball with his in foot from the left, and what a smile that is.
Again, Ritu. Header. Not too far away. But that was a great planning there. And Subham Sarangi arriving there. Subham Sarangi is so very experienced. Has played across clubs in India. And no more action possible here at the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium. And Bodoland FC pulled up a great victory against FC1 from Kashmir. And they are back on the track. They lost the opening game against the Highlanders by 6 goals to 0. And here they pump in 3 goals against FC1 from Kashmir.